Today we are going to explore MMSeg, a highly popular library for image segmentation. In this video I will show you an easy way to install MMSegmentation in your Python environment, and we will cover how to run inferences effectively using pre-trained Coco model. And for those interested in further customization, I will share some code snippets that will help you to train your model on your own dataset. So let's get started. You can find the link to this notebook down the video description. Make sure you have set up a virtual environment, and I will recommend using the Python versions from 3.7 to 3.10. The only package that you have to manually install is Ikomia with pip install Ikomia. It's already done it, so it will be pretty fast. And if you are on Colab, make sure that you restart your kernel. Now to run MMSegmentation on your image, first you have to initialize your workflow, and then you add a task. So in our case, it will be infer MMLab segmentation. If you're not sure about the name of the algorithm, you can check the Ikomia hub, link in the description, where you will find the list of all the algorithms implemented in Ikomia. So here I've selected the semantic segmentation model for both inference and training ones, and you can see infer MMLab segmentation among others. Going back to the inference script, once we have added the MMSeg algorithm, we can set the parameters by selecting the model name and the config file. You can also decide to run the algorithm on GPUs or CPU, and it will run on the selected image. Here we are using the URL, but you can select a path if needed. When running this script for the first time, it will download the infer MMLab algorithm from the Ikomia hub, and it will install all the necessary dependencies like Torch and the OpenMMLab packages. When it's done, it will also download the model. So this is a lot happening in the background, so it will take a few minutes, but it makes our life so much easier as the manual installation of the MMLab packages is not so trivial. Let's run the algorithm and display the output image. Here we have our image with the segmentation mask overlay. There is a lot of models available with the MMSegmentation library. In order to list them, we can call the getModelZoo function. This will provide a couple of model name and config to choose from. Let's say this time we wanted to use segformer, and I will use a pre-train on the AD20K dataset. And that's it, we just have to run. So it will download the model, and we get the output. And below, you will find the script to run MMSeg on your video. All you need is to edit the input path, and you can find the link to the video I used in the introduction. Before ending this video, I would like to show you how you can train a MMLab segmentation model with just a few lines of code. You can find the example on the Ikomia hub library, looking for the train MMLab segmentation algorithm. In this example, we create a workflow with the dataset loader, is here dataset Coco, and we add the train MMLab segmentation. You can also set the parameters like model name and config files, as we did before with the inferences. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you in the next one.